Hey there guys, Postowo here. Today what I got for you is actually a tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to put the glasses inserts on an M50 JSGPM, a C50, FM53, FM53A1, FM54, etc, etc. So yeah, all the 50 series masks from Avon use these same glasses inserts. Before we get into it, I'm sorry that there's all these boxes here. I don't have a tripod anymore, it broke, so I just stacked up a bunch of dew pour boxes and also a tissue box to get a good height so you can see me do things. The first thing you're going to want to do is invert your head harness. Just pull it right over the face of the mask. That gives you plenty of room to work with and makes it a little bit less of a giant pain in the butt. Then you're going to want to locate three things. These are the 3 points that the glasses inserts connect to, one of which will be right under there, under the peripheral seal. The other one will be right under there, same spot. And then there will be a little peg in the center right above the lens. Those correspond to each arm and then the little hole in the center. So I found that this works best if you try to do the arms first. They are generally a huge pain in the butt. I hope you can see me doing this. I hope it's not too out of frame. Doesn't look like it is. So yeah, once you get your first one in, the second one is going to be a little harder. Let's see, you gotta bend it. It almost feels like it's gonna break. Yeah, so with this second one, you kind of have to really fight it. Probably gonna put all this at 2 times speed or something. Okay. Oh, yeah, I kind of got it hooked in. And then you push it in the rest of the way. Oh, come on now. There we go. Yep, there it is. It's in, finally. That's horrible. Once you've got the arms in place, make sure that the support for the actual glasses is out of the way. You can adjust it down like that. And then you line up the peg with the bigger half of the hole. I don't think this is entirely necessary, but you can still do it. So yeah, you just kind of line it up with the lower half of that, and then drag it down to lock it in with the upper half. Then you can just take a pencil, just be careful with it, you don't want to stab your mask, then kind of just massage it the rest of the way through, and there it is. It's secure. Once you're all done with that, you can adjust the glasses to where they line up with your eyes. I go about there. Now we can remove the glasses inserts if you want to switch them to another mask. And yeah, it's essentially the complete opposite. You get the peg out of the hole. Come on now. There we go. And then you go to your arms, find a way to remove them. That pencil might come in handy again. Again, be very careful if you're going to use a tool. You don't want to stab a hole in your mask. There we go. The arm is removed. And then take your glasses, just pull them out the other. Like pull them out the other side. And there you go. They're removed. Anyways, that's the end of the video. I hope you found this helpful. Also, this video was suggested by a commenter, so if you've got any ideas for future tutorials or just future content in general, let me know in the comments. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, whenever that is.